Hello everyone, this is Pecky Foodie. Today's menu will be spinach stuffed salmon. You can try this to any fish, or you can stuff anything to your salmon. Try out every different ways for some surprises. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more cooking videos. And let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Wash the spinach, separate the leaves and divide the stems into small pieces. And that's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. Add in some water into the frying pan. Add in the spinach. Cook until softened. Remove the spinach to a strainer and discard the water. Use paper towels to dry the spinach. Finally, chop the spinach. Add in some green onions, butter and lemon and mix well. You can add some grated cheese. Cut the center of the fish around 3/4 inch. Put in the spinach. I have added the sliced cheese to the inner side of the salmon. Slightly squeeze out some of the liquid. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on both sides of the salmon. At medium heat, add in a touch of oil in the frying pan. Add in the salmon skin side down. Slightly press it for around 5 seconds so the fish stays flat on the pan. Cook until the side of the fish is 3/4 white, then flip it. Cook until the sides are all white and flip the fish over again for some crispy skin. Look at the color, it's making me drooling. Set the fish aside and time for some sauce. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan at low heat. Once it's almost melted, squeeze some lemon juice in it. Turn off the heat and pour the sauce over the salmon. It's done. That's it. Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!